Hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with the most demanding video of yours. So in all the comments were filled up, the Instagram messages, the DMs were filled up that you are looking forward for the demanding job platforms like the last video which I've uploaded, demanding jobs of 2025 and 26. If you haven't watched, I will be putting link here. So in that video I got a lot of students DM that ma'am, please do tell us the platform also where we can find such jobs. So yes, this whole video gonna be the platforms where you can get the most demanding jobs in Germany. It's gonna be super duper helpful video for you. Definitely you're gonna thanks me later. So yes, why not to start this video super duper fast. If you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes, brush up classes like exam preparation, whatever you can think around German, we do provide each and everything. In fact, teacher training program is also starting very soon. So in case you are interested, do let me know. Let's start the video and end of the video. Let's catch you.
Hello and welcome to German Gyan. Are you dreaming of working with German companies in India or moving to Germany for better career opportunities? So today we will walk you through the best platforms for finding German jobs, whether in India or Germany. So let's start with the video. So first we will discuss the platforms to find the jobs in India. If you are based in India and wants to work with German companies, here are the top platforms to get started. The first platform is LinkedIn. The website is linkedin.com, and of course there is an app of LinkedIn. It is cost free and premium available for advanced features. Now let's discuss what makes it great. So, it connects directly with recruiters and professionals from top German companies like Siemens, Bosch, SAP, and BASF. So, use the filters like language, German, or German speaking role. And there are also leveraged LinkedIn groups such as German job seekers in India or Deutschsprachige Fachkräfte for networking. And a pro tip is optimize your LinkedIn profile with German keywords like Projektleitung means project management or Vertrieb means sales. The next platform where you can find the job is naukri.com. This is the website and it is free of cost, and premium services for CV writing and recruiter connections are also available. Let's discuss what makes it great. So, many German companies post their India-based job openings here. Second, keywords like German language specialist, German trainer, or process associate with German can help you find relevant roles. A pro tip is subscribe to alerts for companies that prefer bilingual professionals. The third platform is Monster India. The website is monsterindia.com. It is free of cost and it gives features like job openings for Indian offices of German multinational corporations, and it is a good platform for IT, engineering, and administrative job requiring German. Next is Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, which is IGCC. The website is indogerman.com. It is free of cost and it offers job posting for roles in German companies operating in India. It also provides networking opportunities through their events and job fairs. A pro tip is attend IGCC's training program to upskill and meet potential employers. Now let's discuss the platforms to find the job in Germany. The first one is Stepstone. The website is stepstone.de and it is again free of cost. Now, what makes it great? So, highly popular for professionals in IT, engineering, healthcare, and management roles. Also, many postings require German, so brush up on your language skills. The next platform is Make It in Germany. The website is makeitingermany.com. It is again free of cost and it is government backed platform offering verified job listing, and it also provides detailed guides on visas, moving to Germany and adjusting to the culture. A pro tip is explore sectors with a high demand for foreign professionals like healthcare, IT and construction. The next portal is EURES Job Mobility Portal. The website is eures.europa.eu. You can see the website on the screen because the pronunciation is slightly different, and it is free of cost. Now let's discuss what makes it great. So the first point is an EU-wide job portal for positions in Germany and other European countries. Second, it includes relocation assistance and information about living conditions. The next platform is Glassdoor and the website is glassdoor.de. It is again free of cost and it helps you understand company culture and read employee reviews. It is also used for salary benchmarking before interviews. The next platform is Indeed. Website is indeed.de. It is again free of cost and it covers a wide range of industries. It also allows you to filter jobs requiring English or German skills. Now tell me in the comments which platform you will try first, and don't forget to subscribe for more content about working, living and thriving in Germany. See you next time on German Gyan. Cheers!
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you are very much aware about all the platforms for the most demanding jobs. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.